How to enable or disable Bixby Vision Scene Describer on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. After that, go down, then tap on vision enhancements. And in here, scroll down and tap on Bixby Vision for accessibility, and then tap on Scene Describer. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And here it says capture a scene to hear a detailed description of it. And finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.